Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make low-carb choc chip cupcakes. Now these are low-carb but not keto as they do contain flour. For this recipe you are going to need 200 grams of butter, 80 grams of plain all-purpose flour, 120 grams of erythritol or a monk fruit sweetener, 40 grams of cocoa powder, 4 eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 100 grams of sugar-free choc chips. Now start by preheating your oven to 160 degrees Celsius. Then we're going to melt our butter. You can do this in a small pot on the stovetop over low heat, or if you're using a thermal cooker, we are going to melt the butter for 3 minutes at 50 degrees on speed 2. Scrape the sides of the Thermomix down with a spatula and then repeat the previous step. You can then set the melted butter aside and clean and dry your bowl, or if you have a second bowl you can use that if you have one. Add your beater attachment and then add your eggs and your sweetener to the bowl. Beat your eggs and sweetener for 5 minutes on speed 4 until frothy. If your eggs are very cold, you can add temperature 37 degrees. If you're cooking the traditional ways, just use the electric beaters for this. Add your flour, your cocoa powder, and your baking powder to the bowl. With your blades running at speed 5, pour in your melted butter and mix for about 20 seconds. Then add your chocolate chips and mix slowly on speed 1 for a few seconds until incorporated, or you can use a spatula. Line a 12-piece cupcake tin with casings and then divide your mixture evenly between the holes. the middle of your preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes and then leave to rest for 30 minutes until cool. Because we're using a low temperature to bake, your cupcakes will turn out flat. If you would like more of a top on your cupcake, you can increase the temperature a little bit. When cool, apply your icing of choice, and it's time to enjoy. I thank you so much for watching with me today. I wish you a wonderful day, and I will see you again next time.